الذين آمنوا وتطمئن قلوبهم بذكر الله ألا بذكر الله تطمئن القلوب. Allah said, الذين آمنوا, those who believe, وتطمئن قلوبهم بذكر الله, their hearts are tranquil with the remembrance of Allah. Dhikrullah. Dhikrullah. This is one of the greatest remedy of heart. Look, it will open the hearts. It will send light to the hearts. It will soften the hearts, and it will make the heart happy.